Figured I'd make a video. I was out and about, masked up. I'm not in my car, but I was in Home Depot, and yes, I did get some wood. Morning wood, by the way. So this is the beginning of me actually fixing some stuff around the house. Damn, got to the storage unit, and I need to get to that saw. And this box came falling out at me. It was just, I got too much stuff. That saw needs to come out. Well, I was able to get it all in there. There's a medicine cabinet, saw, and there's the wood. Got it from way over there. So what I'm working on here is I took this beam out, put it on the deck. It was right there. Took it out, put it under here, so that way it could brace it. And I'm gonna replace this, because all of this is a mess. And the other two beams are gonna come out as well. I'll probably use one to brace this side over here, so I can put some 4x4s in here, get rid of it. And then I gotta figure out what to do about this thing. So I was disassembling all of this, taking all this not good stuff out. And I was getting all this stuff done. I'm about to move this thing, and then I got distracted, started working on strawberries. And I think I'm gonna plant some more tomatoes next, probably. Power is off. I got the light out of there. There it is. That was a jumbled mess. All the power's off, don't worry. Turned off at the breaker. I've tested it with my multimeter. I'm about to knock out one of those bottom holes probably, and put a box right here. Cut out that foam. And then run some wire up the side. This is a mess. I have to replace this wood to put the light right there. A day in the life of Brandon. Well, guys, nighttime out. Let's see. Yep, definitely nighttime out. That's the charger. And this is finished. Ooh, hey. Look at that. No beam in the middle. No beams. Do I still have a light switch? Oh yeah. I got a light switch.